120 useful English phrases for everyday use. 61. Get rid of something. To give or throw something away. To sell or destroy something. To make a cold or fever disappear. Example: I bought a new television set, so I want to get rid of the old one. 62. Get through something. To complete something. To finish something. Example: my friend is having trouble getting through her final exams. I have much reading that I must get through before tomorrow. 63. Go ahead. To begin to do something. Example: let's go ahead and start now. We can't wait any longer. 64. Go on to continue. Example: the game will probably go on for an hour after we leave. 65. Go over something. To examine or review something. Example: the accountant will go over the books tomorrow. We plan to go over that question tomorrow. 66. Go through something. To discuss something. To look at something. To do something. Example: the teacher decided to go through the exercise before the test. 67. Go with something. To choose one thing rather than another. Example: we decided to go with the small rental car rather than the large one. 68. Hang out. Somewhere with someone. To spend one's time with no great purpose. To spend leisure time with friends. Example: recently my friend has been hanging out with a group of people who are not a good influence on him. 69. Have something to do with something. To be about something. To be on the subject of something. To be related to something. Example: the book has something to do with cooking, but I'm not sure if you will like it. That problem has nothing to do with me. 70. Hold on. To wait a minute. To stop. To wait and not hang up the phone. Example: please hold on for a minute while I lock the window. In a way. To a certain extent. A little. Somewhat. Example: in a way, I want to go to the new restaurant, but in a way, I don't really care. 72. In case. If something should happen. Example: I will take my umbrella in case it rains. 73. In common. Shared together or equally. In use or ownership by all. Example: I had nothing in common with the other members of the class. 74. In detail. Giving all the details, item by item. Example: the saleswoman explained about the new product in detail. 75. In effect. For practical purposes, basically. Example: the man's silence was in effect a way of disagreeing with the other people in the meeting. 76. In fact. Actually, the truth is. Example: the man has been to China before. In fact, he's been there 3 times. 77. In favor of. Someone or something. To approve or support someone or something. Example: everybody is in favor of the new police chief. My company is not in favor of changing our holiday schedule. 78. In general. In most situations or circumstances. Example: in general, most of the people in our apartment are happy with the new manager. 79. In order to. For the purpose of. Example: they have decided to close down the school for the summer in order to do some major repairs. 80. In other words. In a different, usually more direct way. Example: in other words, if you don't finish the assignment by Wednesday, you will not pass the course.